the roaring waves and the steel decks of America's warships comes the Sikorsky SH-60 Seahawk, a helicopter that has transformed naval aviation fast, lethal, and unstoppable. Introduced in the 1980s, the Seahawk was built on the legendary Black Hawk platform. But this bird was made for the sea, engineered to withstand salt, storms, and relentless naval missions. With folding rotors, advanced radar, night dot vision sensors, and sonar buoys, the Seahawk is more than a helicopter. It is a complete maritime weapon system. It hunts submarines hiding deep below, intercepts enemy ships on the surface, rescues stranded sailors in the middle of combat zones. From anti-submarine warfare to search and rescue, the Seahawk is the ultimate multi-role naval warrior. With its twin engines and devastating payload Hellfire missiles, torpedoes, and heavy machine guns, the SH-60 is not just a helicopter. It's a flying guardian angel for the fleet. Beyond the US Navy, Allied forces around, the world rely on the Seahawk, a true symbol of trust, resilience, and combat. Readiness in the unforgiving theater of naval warfare. The Sikorsky SH-60 Seahawk. More than a helicopter. It is the shield of the fleet, the spear of the seas, and the heartbeat of naval aviation, if you believe the Seahawk still reigns. As the king of naval skies, hit that like button, share this video with fellow aviation fans, and subscribe to Supersonic News for more legendary aircraft stories.